Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the half double crochet rib stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the half double crochet, and how to work in the third loop. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you can make any number of chains. I have already made 20 chains on my hook. To start row 1, you're going to make 1 half double crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're then going to make 1 half double crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 half double crochet into the second chain and then 1 half double crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. We're going to be working half double crochet stitches again, 1 into each stitch, but we're only going to be using the third loop. So if you look at the top of your stitches, this loop farthest away from you is the back loop. This loop right here, the one that's closest to you, is the front loop. And then the loop under that, this one right here, is the third loop. So it's going to be right here. So we're going to work 1 half double crochet stitch into each stitch, only using that third loop. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to have 1 stitch left. Into that stitch, work 1 regular half double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the half double crochet rib stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.